Hi, welcome back to Create to Mizat. This series is about rice dishes. We are going to make 25 different varieties of rice dishes, best suitable for school lunches, office lunches, picnics, or any lazy weekday. Let's get started.
First recipe is my favorite, chicken fried rice. This recipe is for one serving, so I've taken 1.5 cup of cooked rice, 9 to 10 cubes of chicken breast, 1 egg, 2 sliced green chilies, 2 tablespoons of chopped carrots, 2 tablespoons of capsicum, 3 pods of garlic, a small piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 lemon, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, salt as required. For marinating chicken, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Soy sauce contains a lot of salt, so add salt only if required. With few drops of soy sauce and a pinch of pepper, beat the egg well. Tip number 1. For any fried rice, the best vessel to use is wok or kadai. Tip number 2. As the preparation time is very less for this dish, keep all the ingredients prepped ready to go. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and scramble the egg. It can be bite-sized pieces or small. It's based upon your preference. Fry the chicken pieces in few drops of oil as shown here. Add some coriander leaves and saute. Things will move very fast from now, so keep all the ingredients handy. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and saute the ingredients one by one as shown here. Saute well the vegetables. Add oil only if required. We'll be adding soy sauce, so be very careful adding salt. Add rice and mix well. Mix the fried chicken and egg, saute well. Cover it and cook for a few minutes. Now it's ready to be served. Serve it piping hot and enjoy.
If you're still watching, please like, share and subscribe. Click here to watch the next video.